sea, where the wind knows your name and the stillness sets you free,
where the estuary curls like a river in thought, and tea trees lean in to listen, secrets untaught. Children laugh with their feet in the tide, building castles of seaweed, no need to hide.
Kookaburras split the hush of the day. A dog cuts wild loops through the scrub and the clay. No clocks in the wind, just salt in the air. A slow kind of joy drifts soft everywhere, and the eagle flies steady, not lost but alive, reading the water, the hills and the sky. There's a peace in this place no city can buy. High over Nullica, under sapphire light, Boyd Town still watches, her windows worn thin by tales of the whales and schooners within. The seahorse still whispers when southerlies sigh, and the ghosts of the bay ride the tides drifting by.
The boats may be modest, but the stories still flow, where oyster beds shimmer in shallows below.
There's labor and patience in salt-covered hands, pulling harvest from silence, from mud and from sand. And the eagle flies steady, not lost but alive, reading the water, the hills and the sky. There's a peace in this place no city can buy. High over Nullica, under sapphire light.
Families still gather as the days start to warm, with laughter and driftwood and sand on their arms.
No filter, no rush, just the world as it stands, a moment held gently in time's quiet hands.
Let the eagle fly steady and carry me high, over the river, the dunes and the tide. A piece of my soul in the gum shadows sigh. High over Nullica, under that southern sky.